Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2018 Chevy Colorado LT. For the month of May, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers the option between 18% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,000 on all LT models and lower. So this Colorado is a four-wheel drive vehicle. It is a crew cab long box that comes with a 2.8 liter Duramax turbo diesel V6 engine, and it also does have 17 by 8 inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get in the vehicle, we can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating. It also does have our all-weather mats. It does have heated seating, our Chevy MyLink infotainment system, and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.